Tom, how is it going?
It's good. It's good. We are coming towards the end of the show. It's been a massive week. Lots of meetings, lots of conversations, lots of news. What about you?
Lots of meetings. I don't know about you, but my feet are exhausted. Everyone's been complaining. Like, the feet are terrible. So like, if anyone's been to an expo like this, they know, like, after a couple of days, you're just exhausted. 16,000 steps a day, something like that, right?
Yeah. Well, it balances out all the socializing. So, it's a net even, I think.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But it's been great meetings. And obviously, we met a couple of times as well. So there were a couple of different Microsoft announcements this week. One of them was the Express install. I'm sure there are a couple more. What's new?
Yeah, so I think we've had Windows boards come in for the first time. So that's a big deal. We've traditionally only had Android board options.
Right.
We've got Windows board options. That rounds that out.
Sure.
We've had the Express install, which is kind of a concept or a specification for like a quick install Microsoft Teams rooms.
Right.
So we've always had boards and bars, but this is with the furniture or with the stand. You can install it in under an hour and you don't need like a team of AV experts to install. So this is the continued kind of simplification of our space.
Yeah.
And then we've had a lot of BYOD stories as well. So BYOD as either as an option on MTRs or dedicated BYOD devices, and Microsoft being a bit more friendly to BYOD as well.
Yeah, I just had a chance to stop by Heckler's booth. So they've got a couple of Express installs. The tabletop stand is just the one that's rolling. But the nice thing about these things are it's completely toolless. Right, you can put it together really quickly, get it mounted, put your controller on there, put your Meetup 2 or your Huddle or whatever else you're using, and boom. So the idea behind this, like you said, is be able to install this really, really quickly without the hassle of all the planning and everything else.
And it's the pro services time, but also it's retrofitting rooms for different drops and cables and mounting, things like that. So you take all that stuff away. So like you said, tabletop mount or floor standing mount. So all you need is network and power. And you don't need like a rocket scientist AV person to get a small room going with a Teams experience.
Yeah. What else is, I'm sure you're probably looking forward to getting home. I know I am. I'm looking forward to getting home.
Yeah. I mean, it's been good. I've got to do the newsletter write-up next. So I've done all the videos. I've got a bit of editing to do. And then the newsletter write-up. But I mean, the other, obviously, AI continues to be a conversation for everybody.
Of course, AI, like every video has AI in it.
But it's nice. We're kind of over AI for AI's sake now. I think everybody's over AI as a concept. So it's like, what are you doing with it that matters? And in Microsoft land, that's the agents, the facilitator, the interpreter.
Sure.
And how do we make the rooms smarter, which has a knock-on effect to making sure your rooms are spec right for video and audio, so we can do the people recognition, the transcription recognition.
Right. It's exciting. It's finally all coming together. Like, it's been a while before we get the smart speakers and intelligent speakers and all those things to actually work together. Now we're finally seeing it all come to fruition, and there's so much more to see. So I don't know if I'm going to see you in Infocom and if the other...
not Infocom. Enterprise Connect will be my next one.
I'm not sure if I'm going to go to EC, but I might go now that you're going.
We've got the back channel going, so we'll stay in touch.
Yes, that's true. All right, Tom, great to see you.
Thanks a lot.
It's a pleasure. See you all later.